The dark web is a place full of underground criminals and intelligent hackers, but it is also a place much more secure than your favorite browser. It's hardly a secret that when you go online, your activities are followed, not only by Google, Facebook, and Amazon but also by official surveillance teams and hackers. Here are the do's and don'ts of the dark web. Don't. Number 1. Don't use Tor for torrenting as a powerful privacy tool. Tor might seem like the perfect means of downloading and uploading files via BitTorrent and other peer-to-peer networks, but it is not. Using a torrent client bypasses Tor's protection and blows your anonymity by sending your real IP address to the torrent service and other peers. This action allows them to identify you, the port you're using for torrenting, and even the data you're sharing, if it isn't encrypted. They can potentially target you using malware and get you arrested if you are sharing copyrighted content. For all these reasons, Tor says, using BitTorrent is highly frowned upon. Next up on the line. Do. Number 1. Do create a new identity when necessary. Tor does a great job of keeping you safe and anonymous, but you may still encounter websites that raise alarm bells. Tor may warn you that a site is trying to track you. Do. Number 2. To use a VPN alongside Tor. It's important to remember that Tor is a proxy rather than a VPN, which only protects traffic routed through the Tor browser. There are some risks to using the Tor network, especially when downloading torrent files and inadvertently connecting through a malicious exit node. You can boost your privacy and security by using Tor in conjunction with a VPN, to ensure all your data is encrypted and no logs are kept for your activities. Before I continue, check in the description box for an amazing noise-canceling headset. Don't. Number 3. Don't share your real email address. There's no point in using Tor to stay anonymous if you sign up for a website using your real email address. It's like putting a paper bag over your head, and writing your name and address on it. A disposable email service such as MailDrop or the brilliant fake name generator can be useful. Still listening on the do's and don't. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, for more amazing content. Don't. Number 4. You should not go overboard with browser add-ons. Because Tor is modeled to be like Firefox should not make you be excessive with extensions. This can lower your speed and reduce your load time. We have come to the end of this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more exclusive content just for you.